Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a logo zoom in and out intro on CapCut. So here, what you need to do is import your clips and then add a black background like this at the beginning and import your logo as an overlay aligned with the black image like this. Then after that, add a keyframe at the beginning of the overlay. Then zoom out the logo to make it small like this, and then move forward a bit, then add another keyframe and make the logo a bit bigger. Okay, then do the same thing again after you move forward. Okay, I'm going to make it big like this, and then add another one, this, and then add the last keyframe in here. You can add another one, and then make the logo small, back to small, so zoom out like this. Then the logo will go like that, and then after that, go in between the keyframes and go to grabs, click on custom, edit, and do it like this. Okay, click on a check icon, then go to the another one and add the same grabs. Okay, when you're done, click on a check icon, and now here is the result. If you want, you can also add a transition in between the logo and also the video. You can use any transition that you like. So for example, I'm using the black fade transition, so it'll go like this. Okay, so that is how you can make a logo zoom in and out intro in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.